you can see this from the freeway. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to get inside, if we can get inside. Just, wow. This looks absolutely incredible. I can't wait to get a closer view, but oh my goodness. I can't believe my eyes right now. It looks so good. Just, wow. KCL, you have outdone yourselves. This is fantastic. Oh my goodness.
Riders, please remain seated if you like to keep your hands up the I think I like this better. What is that construction that goes I think is in the top right.
I can't imagine what standing in the queue is going to be like. Oh, Fiesta mode! Oh, okay. So hopefully we'll see these walls coming down, hopefully within the next week or so we can get a full view of all this brilliance.
Yeah.
We had trouble parking.
Oh yeah, we couldn't find out where it was.
So, at the very entrance of Hangtime, they have added surfboards, and a bunch of sand is shown up too. Zach's gonna get in my way, of course. But there is surfboards lining the entrance, and it looks great. They are also on this side as well. Holy cow, it looks great. I cannot stress how good of a job KCL has done with this coaster. It looks better than any other coaster that I've ever seen. It looks amazing. I can't stress that enough. KCL, please, I hope you're working on coasters in the future, because I cannot wait to see what you can do in 5 years. Because, oh, it looks incredible. Also, I was looking at this spot again. That looks like a spot for a tester seat if I've ever seen one. It's a complete square. It looks perfect for a tester seat. So there's some more rock work and some shrubbery. That's always fun. But train is chilling in the station right now, but everything else is looking a-okay. Oh, look, more rock work. How about that? It looks great. Also another pile of dirt right here next to the exit. That's interesting. Oh my goodness, we can see inside the shop, and there is already merch. It is filled to the brim with merch. It looks great. That looks like some Knott's cookies, if anything. So there are brackets for a neon sign right here. I can't make out what it says, but it should look great. So this entire section has been paved with new asphalt, it looks like. But here is a look at the front of the gift shop. I will get a better shot of that in a second. Oh my goodness, it looks great.
You can't get in there.
So, look at those doors right there. They look great. There's also merch inside. There are actual Hangtime t-shirts already, so hopefully this will be open in the next couple days. So there is, like, it's filled to the brim with merch. There are some shirts that you can possibly see inside there, but it looks amazing inside. I can't believe it. I really hope this is open in the next couple days, but it looks amazing inside. In other news, they added another lamp. Sweet. Fiesta.